Come take a look at this 2012 Ram 3500. Carfax has certified this 3500 as having one owner. This 3500 has just under 500 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This 3500 boasts a 6.7-liter inline-six engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the 2GG SLT Customer Preferred Order Selection Package, 6-speed automatic transmission, 4.10 axle ratio, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel engine, fog lamps, bright white, dark slate medium gray stone interior, cloth 40/20/40 split bench seat, and the 17 inches x 6.0 aluminum wheels. Call 877-331-8023 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.